Hello guys, today I'm gonna be, but you know what? When you're booting up your phone, there's gonna be a thing showing up on the screen if you click the power button at the same time. Just like it happened with the Kindle 7. Just like how it happened to the Kindle 7. Yep. I'll tell you why. I think iPhone doesn't do this. I think it. What about these two Kindle Fires? This is a different type of. Never mind. This one doesn't have a volume marker. Oh, there's no volume marker on this one. The toy, you just go to the boot screen. Yep, this one.
Take your clothes off.
Guys, sorry for the interrupting again on my videos. Guys, this is very interesting. Don't break one of your Kindles. If you look, something's going to show up on your screen. If you're pressing this volume button, this Kindle 7 has it. This is the most recent one. See, has a blue back. I think it's made out of plastic. Yes, it makes out of plastic. I think this one's blue though. Okay, if you're clicking volume down, hopefully I don't break this. Look, like the Kindle 7 did. Are you kidding me? I think it's going to say it now. Let's see. Wait. It just turned off. What's this way? Yep, it's going back to neutral order. Do we have the Galaxy S7? I don't know if this is going to turn on. That's because it just turned off. Look, guys, let's see the Galaxy S7. Here it is. Yes, it does that. Guys, to make it go away, just press the power button for a few seconds. I think it is like 10 seconds to trigger this to go away. Yep. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This was a quick evidence. Yep. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it took so long for the evidence. Peace out.